How to download Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820 drivers. To download the drivers for the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820 printer, you need to visit the official Epson support website and select your operating system from the drop-down menu. Then, you can choose the driver that suits your needs and click on the download button. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions of Epson software license agreement before the download starts. After the download is complete, you can run the installer and follow the instructions to set up your printer. Alternatively, you can use the Epson Smart Panel app, which allows you to perform printer or scanner operations easily from iOS and Android devices. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play, and connect your device to the same network as your printer. The app will automatically detect your printer model and install the necessary drivers for you.